today let's do a first impression video about this Yeti Panga 50 duffel bag. An incredible bag that unfortunately I will not keep. I will not keep it because of few reasons. I was looking for a dry bag for my bicycle for my next touring trip, and well, I discovered this. It's unbelievable. It's everything that I want. It's a dry bag. It's even a submersible bag. I didn't know it exists, but there's actually a zipper. And it's also a backpack. Seriously, it's everything that I want. It's a duffel bag that can be a backpack, and it's submersible. And it's so submersible that actually it's only filled with air and nothing, absolutely nothing goes out. So it's airtight. And there's a zipper. Because usually when you got a dry bag, you got that roll top thing, and well, when you open it and you want something at the very end, well, it's very, very far away and you have to take everything out. Now with that one, you just open the zipper and you have access to everything. That's mind-bugging, but even there, better than this, those strap, you can remove it, because you can attach. It's not the easiest thing to do, but it's still quick, and you can do the same here, and it's the same thing on both sides. It's easier to put back. There we go. The quality of the bag is insane. You feel that this will last a very, very long time. You can grab it like a duffel bag with those two straps just like that. You can take it with those handle over here, with those handle over here, and the bottom is just rock solid because they put that thick layer at the bottom so you can throw it on rock or, well, depending on what you have inside, but you don't have to really care about damaging the bag. You feel this is really, really high quality. And actually, look, if I open the zip, you will hear the air goes out. It's really airtight. Okay, negative point. When it's open, I don't know if it will change over time, but the bag have this, see, it's always, so when you put your first thing inside, it's kind of hard because, you see, it will always fall down. So when it's full of stuff, that's not so bad because it doesn't fall down like it does actually. The inside is great, it's blue, it's beautiful. You can still feel all the quality inside. There is two pockets on each side. One comes with instruction and it's not a lip seal, that's a zipper lubricant. That come with it. So yeah, very, very good quality bag. Now, why do I don't keep it? And I'm actually kind of mad to not keep it because I really, really love the quality of this bag, but of course because of the price of the bag, I can't afford to just keep it for fun. I'll go with another bag that one is made by Seal Line. So yeah, that one is made by Seal Line. I will talk about it into another video, but when we compare it, there is some key factor. First of all, it's lighter. Of course, you feel it in the quality. It's not the same. I mean, it's not cheap. You can see that it's the same principle. It's airtight. It got a zipper. It got those strap. It can be a backpack, a duffel bag. But yeah, it's lighter because there's less material on it. There is more straps. So if you have to attach it on a boat or on a bike, you can do it. Here you're pretty, well, limited. You got those one over here. Of course, you can attach it, but you're more limited in the way you can attach it. I love the fact that there is more way to attach this one. And the other reason is that, unfortunately, 50 liter is the smallest bag they do. This one is available in 50, 75, and 100 liter, and this one is available at 40 and 70 liter, if I'm not wrong about the 70. But yeah, actually, this one is too big for my bike. This one is already big, but just that 10 liters over is just too much. So I'll go with the C line, even if I love the quality of the Yeti. So yeah, that's my first impression. Unfortunately, that will not go further because the bag is too big for what I need to do, and there is not enough spot to attach the bag. But what a wonderful bag, really. So I hope this was helpful. Take care.